Does paying out of pocket avoid insurance increases? Have you ever wondered if paying for car repairs yourself can keep your insurance rates from going up? It's a common question, especially after a minor accident. Let's break it down together. When you choose to pay for repairs out of your own pocket, you avoid filing a claim with your insurance company. This can be a smart move, particularly if the accident is minor and you are at fault. Insurance companies look at your claims history to determine how risky you are as a driver. Each time you file a claim, especially for an at-fault accident, your insurer may see you as a higher risk. This often leads to increased premiums when it's time to renew your policy. In fact, a small accident could raise your premium by 20 to 30%. Over 3 years, this increase could end up costing you more than the original repair bill. So, how do you decide whether to pay out of pocket? Start by comparing the cost of the repairs, minus your deductible, to the potential increase in your insurance premium over the next few years. If the repair cost is lower than what you would pay in higher premiums, paying out of pocket makes sense. This is particularly true for minor incidents like small dents or scratches, where the damage might even be less than your deductible. There are many situations where paying out of pocket is a common choice. For example, if you accidentally back into a pole or scrape your car in a parking lot, and no other vehicles are involved, handling the repairs yourself can keep the incident off your insurance record. If another driver offers to pay for your repairs directly, accepting that offer can also save you from a premium increase. However, paying out of pocket is not always the best option. If the damage is significant, involves another party, or results in injuries, filing a claim is usually necessary. Remember, insurance is there to protect you from large, unexpected expenses. In these cases, the benefits of filing a claim often outweigh the risk of a premium increase. It's also important to know that not all accidents lead to immediate premium increases. Insurance companies typically wait until your policy renewal to adjust rates. Some states have rules that limit rate increases for small claims, but these protections can vary widely. In summary, paying out of pocket for minor, at-fault accidents can help you avoid insurance premium increases. However, the decision should be based on the cost of repairs, your deductible, and how much your premium might rise. For major accidents or those involving other parties, filing a claim is usually the safer choice. Always weigh the long-term cost of higher premiums against the short-term cost of repairs when deciding whether to pay out of pocket.